So my trunk latch stopped working. I can't unlock it from outside. So in this video we're gonna fix this. In order to fix it, let's first remove the trim. To do so, we need to unscrew this and here and here and remove them. I removed these two screws, unscrewed this, and also removed the emergency release handle right here. Now I'm gonna take this trim tool and just pry out all of these screws. There is also another two of these just right here, a little bit hidden. I forgot about them. You also need to remove these plastics. There is just one sort of lock right here, and it pops right out, and another one here, and it pops right out. Same on the other side. Now that the trim is removed, we need to take this whole handle assembly out. And in order to do so, there is clips right there. Hope you can see it. There is clips there. You need to just push on these clips all around, and then the handle will pop out. So now the whole assembly is out. You see that it's popped off like this. And now I'm just going to separate the camera from this assembly, because I only need to take care of the handle. And you can do it the same way. There is like clips right here. That's if you have the camera. Right, so I've detached the camera, and you can see I already tried to repair it. So now we're just gonna separate this top piece from the bottom piece, and we only need to take care of the bottom piece. And I'm gonna take off this, basically it's like a trigger for the hedge. So I'm gonna separate this out, and then I'm gonna separate the top from the bottom. So here's what I'm working with. So basically I need to take this top piece out, and you can see there are clips like this. So you just need to pry it out. I have this trim tool. There we go. So this we can put aside, and this is what we're working with. So let me take the tape off, and then you can see what's going on. Right, so this is the handle. So basically when you come in to the trunk and you try to open it, when you do this motion, this tip is supposed to put pressure, like a tiny bit of pressure on that trigger. But my problem is that this handle, it's torn right here. So when I apply when I pull it up like this thing does not touch the trigger. So that's why it wouldn't open. This is a pretty common thing. I tried to fix it with some tape. I didn't want to glue this part. But what ends up happening is that the tape just stretches out the same way like this thing. And basically there is no effect. So I'm gonna try and apply some glue here and glue it back together, and hopefully that fixes the problem. I'm just gonna apply glue all around, because it's like a rubber piece, and then the plastic piece is attached to the rubber piece. So that's where it's separated initially. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's holding tight. It also helps that it's 40 degrees today, so that's gonna dry pretty fast. It's been a couple hours now. The glue is supposed to be dry. So let's put this stuff back together. Let's put the top piece back on. Put back the trigger and insert the camera. And then we can put the whole assembly back in. It's back in place. Now let's test it. There you go. It also doesn't need a lot of force right now. You just click a little bit and then it opens instantly. So it works. Now let's put all of the trim back on. all the trim is back together. Let's test it one more time. Closed, opened, closed, opened. So I'd say that it's a pretty successful repair. Like, comment, subscribe, follow for more.